In our last video, we saw how chronic stress can suppress and weaken your immune system, leaving your defenses down. But what happens when that same powerful defense system gets its wires crossed and turns its weapons on the very body it's supposed to protect? This isn't a failure from the outside, it's a catastrophic miscommunication from within. Today, we're exploring the complex and often misunderstood world of autoimmune diseases.
Imagine your body's security forces, trained to protect you, suddenly turning their weapons inward. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality for millions living with autoimmune diseases. Welcome to the Health Sketchpad. I'm Dr. AB, and today we're exploring what happens when your immune system mistakes self for enemy. Normally, your immune system has a brilliant self-tolerance system. During development, immune cells that react against your own tissues are eliminated. It's like security forces learning to recognize citizens versus criminals. This prevents friendly fire and keeps the peace within your body. In autoimmune diseases, this self-tolerance system fails. Due to genetic predispositions and environmental triggers, some immune cells escape elimination. They mistake your own tissues for foreign invaders and launch attacks. It's like security forces suddenly seeing citizens as enemies. There are over 100 autoimmune diseases, each targeting different tissues. Rheumatoid arthritis attacks joints. Lupus attacks multiple organs. Multiple sclerosis attacks nerve coatings. Type 1 diabetes attacks insulin-producing cells, and psoriasis attacks skin cells. The common thread? The body attacking itself. Why do these diseases develop?
We don't know all the answers, but we've identified triggers. Infections can confuse the immune system. Hormones may play a role, certain medications, and even environmental factors. It's often a perfect storm of genetic susceptibility plus trigger.
Symptoms vary widely,
but often include fatigue that sleep doesn't fix, mysterious pain, swelling, skin changes, and low-grade fevers. These are the distress signals of tissues under attack. The unpredictability, flares and remissions makes these diseases particularly challenging. Diagnosing autoimmune diseases can take years because symptoms overlap. Doctors use blood tests for specific antibodies, imaging scans, and sometimes tissue biopsies. It's like detective work, piecing together clues to identify the specific autoimmune culprit. While there are no cures yet, treatments focus on suppressing the misguided immune response. These include anti-inflammatory medications, immunosuppressants, and newer biologic drugs that target specific immune pathways. The goal isn't to wipe out immunity, but to restore the peace. Beyond medications, lifestyle matters tremendously. Stress reduction, balanced nutrition, gentle exercise, and quality sleep can all help modulate immune activity. While these don't replace medical treatment, they can significantly improve quality of life. Autoimmune diseases occur when the immune system mistakenly attacks the body it's meant to protect. While challenging, understanding the mechanism helps demystify these conditions. If this helped you understand autoimmune diseases, share it to spread awareness. Subscribe to the Health Sketchpad for more health insights.